Hey everybody. I want to quickly show you the new logon duration feature in ControlUp 4.1, which enables you to accurately measure how long it takes for users to log on, including breakdown of the various interesting phases. So in this example, I'm going to launch a full Citrix Synapse 6.5 published desktop. And I'll start the desktop now, but you'll notice I'll start measuring the logon duration from the moment the server connection is actually up. And that's about now, right? And that's because we are actually measuring logon duration from the moment the user finished successful authentication and until the desktop is actually ready for interaction for the end user. So obviously we're measuring all the important phases of the logon sequence. This could be the Windows profile load, group policy processing, which as you might notice takes a while here in my environment. And after group policy, we can actually measure the desktop initialization, the Explorer shell load time, and show you in the end which phase took the longest and enable you to troubleshoot long durations. So we're now waiting for the desktop to become actually available, and then I'll stop the stopwatch so we can see how long it took from the end user perspective to complete this logon. Now you can see this is a new profile. So active setup is also running on the user session, which is part of the desktop initialization phase. So once the start button is available, like here, I can stop my measurement. So we can see from the end user perspective, it took 59 seconds, quite a long time for the desktop to appear. Let's switch to the ControlUp console. So this is ControlUp 4.1 running in my environment. Let's look on the CU demo. This is the account I was using. And here are the statistics. So 58 seconds, that's how long it took from ControlUp and standpoint for this user session, which is very accurate. You can see 59 seconds on the user perspective and 58 seconds from the end user, from the ControlUp column itself. And here you can see the actual breakdown. 3 seconds to load the profile, 20 seconds to process group policies, 17 seconds to process the desktop. Again, this is mostly due to the active setup phase. And other components, which could be profile management solutions, user unit initialization like drive mapping and printer mapping, and other components which are part of the logon sequence. Now, obviously, I can use ControlUp to continue my investigation. In this case, if I want to see which group policies caused a 20-second processing time, I can, for example, run the script-based action list user GPO action, which will show me exactly which group policies were applied inside this user session. Right, so this was a quick introduction of the new ControlUp 4.1 logon duration feature. Hope you enjoyed.